What's up everybody, welcome back to another review video. Today I will be doing a unboxing and review on the Philips headphones 1000 series model number TAT1207. And if you guys do not want to watch the unboxing, you're welcome to skip the video to about 2 minutes 24 seconds for the review. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of these earbuds and let me tell you if they're good. So over here we do have the earbuds, and I did already unbox them because I feel like it is necessary. If you guys take this out of the box, you will immediately be greeted with the earbud case itself. I believe the earbuds are in this case right here, guys. We're gonna put that aside for now and see what else the box has for us. So if you open up this part of the box, you will see there is a cable and a bunch of ear cuffs, so you can use that for different size ears, of course. And the cable that they did include is USB Type-C. It's a really short cable, but hey, you don't really need a longer cable than this because you're probably gonna charge this with your phone charger anyway. If you open this I don't know, the earbud case, you will see it's wrapped in this nice paper. Then you can see this is how the case looks with the Philips branding. And now you will see this is basically USB Type-C, and of course we're gonna fit the cable or the charging cable into this case so you guys can see how long it is. This is the idea, so it's a long cable, but they included it in this price range of $35, which I think is amazing. We're gonna remove that right there, and we are going to open up the case right now. And as you guys can see, this is how the earbud looks, and already I can see they really didn't cheap out on the design. It looks absolutely perfect and premium. As you guys can see, there is some red stickers on here, so we'll get into that a little bit later, but please remove these stickers because if you don't, your earbuds won't be able to charge and you won't be able to use them. So make sure to remove them before using the earbuds or charging them. This earbuds didn't really come with a lot of battery, so I didn't need to charge them beforehand. This is the case, so let's place them into the case right now and I'll show you guys how to know they're charging. At the sides of the earbuds there is lights. You will see they will kind of light up when they're charging, but the case was didn't have a lot of battery. Over here you can see a red light that indicates how much battery you have, so if it's red you need to charge your case. So if you guys are only here for the review of the earbuds, this is the part of the video you guys want to watch. This will basically be the full review of these earbuds, if it's worth buying or not, and the sound quality, mic test, and yeah, we are already done with the unboxing. So basically guys, you will get this I don't know, this pocket-sized earbud case, and it's really good. I would say it is really small. It's also USB Type-C, so you will absolutely have no problem to kind of fit this in your pocket or anything like that. But it comes with a con, and that is basically it doesn't have a lot of battery. So that's the only problem with this, because of course if the case is smaller it won't store as much battery, but it really doesn't matter all that much. If you open up the ear case, you will see the earbuds, of course, and then yeah, this is basically how they look from a close-up perspective. This is the left side. As you guys can see, they really look high quality if you kind of just look at them like this. And then yeah, you also have these types of buttons over here that you can kind of press. So yeah, you also have that that's basically just to pause and unpause any playback. So it is pretty good, I would say, but the only problem is there's no volume control, like touch control or anything. Now okay, with this price range for $35, you're not really gonna get anything better, but there is a little bit more like other options to look at, of course, because the sound quality of these earbuds are pretty good as well, but I don't really like the sound all that much. I don't know if it's because I'm used to the Samsung Buds FE or something. They are also kind of budget earbuds, but these sounds kind of like I don't know, it kind of sounds not as clear as the price range that's like $50 or $60 even. So yeah, it's double the price for this earbuds that sound a little bit better than these ones, but still I don't know guys, it's like if you save up a little bit more, you could get better earbuds. Because yeah, understand if you're only buying this for a really tight budget, then cool, you can buy it. It's just the sound doesn't really sound as clear for me. It is really bass heavy as well, and yeah, it's basically not a good type of bass because it interferes with the normal type of sound. Now I don't know, it's perfect. I've definitely heard a lot worse. I'll give these earbuds a 6 out of 10 if you guys want a rating or something. But yeah, definitely check check out the Samsung Buds FE. I will give them a solid 10 out of 10. Actually, no, let's make it a 9 out of 10 just because they don't have volume control. And then it also doesn't fall out of your ear. Doesn't come with any app control, of course. And the battery is about, like, if you guys have a look on the box, this you will see all the specs. So it has 6mm drivers. So it's balanced, clear sound, not perfect, but it will get the job done. And then if you guys see over here, comfortable fit. I don't know what the battery is. They said it's on here somewhere. Okay, there you go, guys. So this is basically the batteries. So basically 6 hours, I think, if you listen to the earbuds, like only the earbud battery. That's basically the battery with only the earbud. Let me just quickly get it over here. So this earbud over here supports like 6 hours over here. And then of course the case, sorry guys, the camera is out of focus. But the case over there supports like about 12 hours. So you can kind of get another 2 charges out of the case. Not much, but I mean, it should be good. And that's basically all I have for the review, guys. There's not really anything special about it. It's good for the price, but definitely there is Philips makes a lot better earbud like, I don't know, models, I would say, than this one. So definitely check out all the others that they made before. I don't know, guys, but yeah, it's not really worth it for the price, I would say. But if you just want something that's decent, that you can run with, or just for casual music, and you don't really care about the best sound in the world, this will be perfect for you. So yeah, and also for gaming, I will also not recommend it because you cannot really hear detailed like footsteps and stuff for gaming. That's why I won't recommend it for gaming, guys. I'm sorry, I can't always be like happy with these reviews. I need to be honest, guys. So that's basically it for these earbuds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. It was in detail, and yeah, we are just gonna test the mic though, because we need to test the mic out before we end this off. So without further ado, let's test out the mic. This is the mic test. 1, 2, 3. Also, there is something really important about these earbuds that I need to tell you guys before we click off this video, and that is basically the Bluetooth connectivity. You cannot use one individual earbud at a time. You need to use both at the same time or it will not pair. And of course, you need to put it in the case and then remove it, both earbuds out of the case, if you want to pair it again. So if you pair it, if you take both of them out of the case and you connect them to your phone, and then you disconnect the Bluetooth from your phone and you want to connect it to your laptop or something, you need to place them back into the case and take them out again and have your phone's Bluetooth turned off, because they will automatically reconnect to your phone. So please keep that in mind. I don't know why they made it like that, so you can't use one earbud at a time. You need to use both. So that's really unfortunate. And also that the mic test doesn't really sound so good. The mic doesn't sound good, but that's expected for all earbuds in this price range. Also, if you guys are interested in more budget earbuds, make sure to go check out this video on the right side corner. It is the Redmi Buds review. It is in a similar price range as the Philips earbuds, and I have to say they were a little bit more superior. So maybe go check that out if you are interested in better earphones for a better price. But without further ado, guys, we're done with today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button up here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.